this top layer is all set. As you're going, you got to make sure all your lines are straight. So you got to be very meticulous about that, hitting with the mallet over or spacing it with a tool. Also keep in line, making sure that your border is straight. So next, I have these set for the cuts that'll need to be made. As you can see, the border has already been lined. Once these cuts are made, we'll put some concrete edging to seal this up, and this will be finished. This bottom area is also going. There's a street here, and the paver's here, and then you can see the border all squared up, so we're gonna run right along that. This is all gonna line up and go straight in unison with this border. After that, once the pavers are all laid, we're gonna have our polymer stone. It's gonna go in between the joints and stay consistent with our whole permeable system. All squared away here. Got all our cuts and curves done right here. Now I'm just taking care of the concrete edging. So you plop it and then spread it nice and smooth. Beyond that, we got a whole nother level of patio down here. This thing's really taking shape.